Do you want to finish your Excel work in minutes instead of hours? This 20 shortcuts will change everything. In this video, you will learn 20 intermediate Excel shortcuts that will help you work faster and smarter. Shortcut number 1, find. Control plus F will open the find dialog box for you. What word or phrase that you want to find or look for in your Excel sheet? So you type what you want to find here. So I have name here. Let's find the number of names that appears in this worksheet. To find all, we have 11 cells containing name. The second one is replace, which is Control H. It will open it for you. So which one are you find? Which word are you looking for? So for this video, we are looking for name. Then what word are we replacing it with? So in this case, I will use red. So after typing what you replace it with, then you go to this side and replace all. So all the cells containing names will change from name to red. Number 3, fill down. And this one helps you to copy formula instantly. So I will move below the 4 here, then I'll press Ctrl D. So it will copy the formula or anything that is above the cell that you have selected. So this has copied the formula from cell E2 to E3. Then fourth one, number 4, is the fill right shortcut. So now let's place our cursor here and Control R. So it will copy it from your left to your right cell. So there's no need to drag, just copy formulas instantly. Number 5, using shortcut to create a table. How do you do it? Now let's select any of the cell here. Then you press Ctrl plus T. So within it, it has already selected a range here. Now let's create a table for this. So in this, maybe for you, you will not see this one. My table as headers. So you have to check this one so that it will use your header here, the one that you have typed as your header. Then press OK. So it has created a table for you. Number 6, how to insert a link in a cell or in your workbook. So how to create or how to insert a link. Let's select this one, sheet 2. I have sheet 1 here, sheet 2 here. So we are going to create a link so that when you click on this cell, it will take you to sheet 2. So how do you do it? Control K. It will open a dialog box for you. Then within the dialog box, you have an existing file placed in this document. So you choose the second one, which is placed in this document. So which sheet are you linking it to? You are linking it to sheet 2 and press what? OK. So now this has changed from a cell to a link. So when you place it on it, when the cursor turns to the finger, you click, it will take you to sheet 2. Number 7, how to insert dates in a cell. Control plus the semicolon. So you press Control then semicolon. The date will appear. Number 8, if you want to insert time in your cell, Control Shift, then the semicolon. Number 9 is how to jump across data. So without using the mouse, let's use the arrow keys plus the control key to jump across data. So I'll hold the control key, then I'll use my arrow keys. So I'll move to the side and jumping. So the next one I can move control, then I'll come down, down, control up, up. So this is another shortcut that will jump across large data instantly. Number 10 is how to select data range. So for this, we will use Control Shift, then arrow keys. So you move this. So when you look at the top, it's selecting. Now I'll come to the down part. So it has selected a range of what cells here. Shortcut number 11. So how to select a column without using the mouse. So let me select any cell here, unclick, then I press Control plus the space bar. It will select a column. Then let's do it again. The next one, that is this shortcut number 12, that is Shift plus the space bar will select a row, a row. Number 13 is the delete cell shortcut. How do you delete a cell here? So here I'll select this cell. Then I want to delete the cell. So you press Control plus hyphen. A pop-up will come. Delete. Which one do you want to delete? Delete cell to the left, the entire sheet. So which one I want to select? So I've deleted this cell. It is gone. Now let's undo it again. So that is how to delete a cell. So you can choose from the option the one that you want. So you press what? Control plus the hyphen to delete cells. Shortcut number 14 is how to insert a cell. So after deleting, you want to insert a cell, or you made a mistake and you want to insert a cell. How do you do it? Now let's come to this side and let's insert a cell below it here. Okay, so here uh, let's apply some two shortcuts here, then we move. So let's select the row. So Shift space, I've selected the row. Then let's come to our 14, number 14, that is how to insert a cell. So we are inserting a cell below this one. Control Shift, then you add plus. So on the keyboard you see plus and equal to on the same key. So that is what I'm talking about, not the equal to. Yeah, so we have only one equal to here. So you press Control Shift, then equal to. It will create, or it will insert a new cell for you. The next one is number 15, that is auto sum. Auto sum means it will automatically add everything within a column for you. Let's go to the score here. Beneath it, you will use a shortcut, that is Alt plus the equal to sum up all this. So you press on your keyboard the Alt key plus the equal to or the plus key. Yeah. The next one, which is number 16, is how to open your format cell dialog box in case you want to format a cell or a range of cells. Now let's press on Control plus 1, Control plus 1. It will open the format cell dialog box, which has the number, alignment, form, border, fill, and protection. So anyone that you want to use, you can apply it in it. Okay. Shortcut number 6. Shortcut number 17. Number 17 of is to create a new line in a cell. So before that, let's type something here. So assuming I'm typing name, then I want the class to come beneath it. If I press enter, it will move to the next cell. But I want to type it in the same cell. How will I do it? So first, we will go back to our old formula that we did here. In the beginners tutorial, I taught you how to edit a cell using a specific key. So with this, I've selected the name and I'll press on F2 so that you can edit in your cell here. So after seeing the insertion point here, you now move on to apply your shortcut to create a new line, which is Alt plus the Enter key. So I'll press Alt plus the Enter key to move to the next line. So name, then I'll type 2, Alt Enter, then class. So all this in one cell. Number 18 is the shortcut to switch between sheets. So you have to be switching between sheets here. So the shortcut is now, let's look at the number of sheets that we have. We have 2, sheet 1, sheet 2. Let's add more, sheet 3. So I will open this here. Let's type sheet 3 and now let's increase the size here. Sheet 3 here. Now let's go back here. So now within this sheet, let's go back to sheet 1. What will you do here? So in this case, let's use the control. You hold your control, then on your keyboard you see page up, page down. So we use the page up to move to the sheet 1, page down to move sheet 2, page down sheet 3. So this is how it works. So you hold your control, then you use the page up and page down to switch between sheets. Shortcut number 19, that is how to apply filter here using your shortcut. Before that, let's select our table here because the table is affected here. So let's select this table. Then we come to this side, that's table design. Come down here, you select from this side. Then within it, you clear the table here so that we get it back. Now let's apply filter to it. So I'll select this range here. So let's apply the filter. So how do you do it? Control Shift plus L. So I have applied filter. So you see that we have here. So in this case, if you want to sort it out from smallest to largest or from largest to smallest, you can do it, or you can sort it by using a color here. The last one, shortcut number 20, is to show formulas. How do you show a formula here? Now let me delete this one here. Let me come to, so let's do this one, Control D. Sorry, Control D. So we have this one here, 3. Now we want to show the formula here. What formula is in our upper cell? Okay. So you press what? Control plus apostrophe this. So the cell will display the formula that was used at the top. Then if you press enter, it will be affected here. That is all for today. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video.